Pain is being lost. It's being me, losing the ones I love. Pain is watching my mama cry, just can't stop her tears. It's what I inflict on myself. Pain is how I feel. Can't keep pretending it's gonna be alright, 'cause I don't need this love. When it hurts so much, I don't need this love. Sometimes it ain't enough. I feel abandoned, stranded, lonely. Won't you wake me from this dream? Pain is losing hope when there's no way out and nobody's home. Pain is just a part of me, feeling helpless inside. It's everything that I believe when I got nowhere to hide. Can't stop the emptiness, even if I try, 'cause I don't need this love. When it hurts so much, I don't need this love. Sometimes it ain't enough. I feel abandoned, stranded, lonely. Won't you help me? Mama, soulless, hopeless. Mama, won't you wake me from this dream?